Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Look what I have here. Just love getting a fresh box of beads. I don't know if you guys feel the same way I do, but yes, like I say, it's Christmas every time I get a box in the mail. So here I have the dollar bead box, and I did peek at it, and we have some interesting colors. They're really pretty. It's a different mix than I'm used to. It's orange with gray and black and all that. So it's really interesting. Let me pull this out first and read this. February 2023. This month we look to Pantone and international fashion for inspiration. According to the experts, this season allows for the freedom to colorfully express individuality, suggests novel pairings and contrasting harmonies, and presents gray as the new neutral color. Pantone's spring color includes tangelo, persimmon, and oyster mushroom. And then it says we also added new selections in the shop that work as beautiful accents to the box and bag items. Vintage handmade check glass art deco buttons and 10 to 16 millimeters Swarovski pearls in a variety of pastels and neutral colors. So, sorry, they are doing our grass outside. I might have to turn off this video and turn it back on. I'm not sure how loud it is outside. So, oh, look at these. They are definitely pretty. It kind of reminds me of Halloween, though. So we have these. These are pretty. Oh, and these pretty elephants. We've gotten these before. I still have some of these in my stash. Pretty check glass here. So let me get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting off with the Check Fire Polish bead bag. It's 8 strands for $8. You cannot beat this. So it's got 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. So the first one is opaque orange. Look at how pretty that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Let me make sure my lighting is set up here good. Okay. So we have the opaque orange. This is beautiful. And these are such well-made Check Fire Polish beads. They're so worth the $1 each. Next is the opaque gray. Absolutely love these. I'm getting kind of inspired by this mix. At first I was kind of like, not really sure. But yeah, I think I'm getting a little inspired by this. Not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I have to sit on this for a night. Next is the Matte Jet Maria. And it's so pretty. It has the gold and the silver in it. It's so pretty. And the last of the 3mm strands is the Jet Silver Travertine. It almost looks like a Picasso finish. I don't know if you can kind of see it up close. That's kind of what it reminds me of. So it's so pretty. So then these are the 4mm strands. Another opaque orange, which is so nice. You get a 3mm and a 4mm strand. So if you're into bead weaving, you have both sizes. So if you need to put something in a smaller spot, you get it. We have that. And then the opaque gray again in this color. So pretty. And then we have, this is the Jet Silver Travertine in 4mm. So pretty. You can see up close. You can see how see when I kind of turn it like that. So pretty. And then this is just jet. It's just a beautiful Check Fire Polish bead in 4mm. So yeah, so you get 4 3mm and 4 4mm strands. And they're just really, really beautiful beads, and they're so worth the price. So here's this, and let's get started on the box. Okay, so now we're starting with the strands, and the first one is 5x9mm check glass 3-hole spear red orange. So as you can see, there's 3 beads. There's 3 holes on the top of each one. Let me cut this. I can show you. These are pretty. So, and see, there's 3 holes up at the top. Very pretty. Very different looking. Just gonna put these in a little baggie. So this is the first strand. Absolutely love them. So next is the 4mm check glass draw Crystal Maria 50 pieces. So this is really pretty. So we have this beautiful, the tones on this are so pretty. It's like some is AB, some is clear. Such a pretty bead. And next is 3x5mm check glass pinch and matte jet 35 pieces. So pinch beads have 3 sides. So you literally could like take your fingers and pinch 2 of these sides. So very pretty. Next is 4mm check glass struck hyacinth and 48 pieces. So this is very pretty. It's kind of clear. It's very pretty. Next is the 8mm check fire polish crystal vintage vitriol. Say that really fast. 16 pieces. So this is a big fire polish bead. There's a lot of texture and movement on these. So pretty. So when you're looking for something to add a pop of color to something, this is the bead for you. Next, this is pretty. It's a 7-inch check glass beaded chain gray and jet mix. This is really pretty. I mean, you could actually just put a jump ring and a lobster clasp on this and make a bracelet out of it. It's very pretty. Or you can hang this up and put this as a strand on a necklace. Very pretty. So yeah, so we have that. And then this is really cool. This is 12x14mm check glass starburst crystal with jet 8 pieces. So they're thin on the side, but then when, look at that, isn't that cool? I love these. These have such a cool look to them, and they're etched. They're they have that, so they're really pretty. So next is the 8x11mm check glass melons jet with silver wash 8 pieces. Look how pretty these are. These are so pretty. These are such well-made beads. Absolutely love them. And then next we have 10mm of check glass tabular squares and Tangelo topaz mix 4 pieces. Say that fast again. So yeah, look at these. Aren't they pretty? Got a really unique look to them. The texture on them is very pretty. So we have that. Then next we have, let me open this, 10mm of pewter geometric flat rounds, 4 pieces. We have these, very pretty. holes are up there at the top. Okay. And next we have 5mm Czech fire polish and crystal, 25 pieces. These are really pretty. These are so useful for any design you're working with because they're clear, so they could go with anything. We have those. Then next, I have, trying to get my lighting, I feel like it's moving. Next, I have, this is beautiful. We have 12mm Swarovski Margarita Bead 3700 crystal copper, 1 piece. And there is a hole in it right there. So beautiful. If you can see the sparkle in this. Of course, it's Swarovski, so that's why. So pretty. So next, we have 4mm of jet glass Druck beads, matte jet, 40 pieces. So these are really pretty. This one's cracked. Oh, I got like a half of one. But they're very pretty. Oh, stay there. They're running away. Okay, these, I love working with these. These are 7x16mm Czech glass 2-hole crescent beads in crystal, 6 pieces. And they're so cool because you can like take a 2-hole bead and put it in between and kind of layer it. I've used these for a lot of different designs I've worked with. So they're very nice. Okay. And next we have a 12x12mm tier cast Czech rosette button antique silver plate. There's the back of it, and there's the front. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Look at the detail in this. Such a pretty button. So next we have 13x13mm Czech glass meteorite etched black with gold, 2 pieces. And again, these are so really nice. There's the hole up there. I love these. These make really pretty accents on like a drop earring. If you're doing a pair of earrings or something, they look really pretty. And I love these elephants. They're so pretty. We got 4 of them here. 10x15mm Czech glass elephants gray with gold, 4 pieces. So the hole goes through his little booty and comes out his trunk. So that's them, and they're the same on both sides. So they're double-sided, which is really nice. Now this is very interesting. This is a 14mm Swarovski 5811 pearl, color varies. It says 1 piece. Look at this. I don't know if you can pick up the sparkle in this. I mean, it's beautifully made. You look at the hole in it. But it's very pretty. So I guess it's this color varies, so maybe some people get some colors than others. So I'd be interested to know if most people got this color or not. It's kind of like a lime sherbet kind of. So we have that. And then last, a bonus item. Let me get a little thing here. A Czech glass metallic mix, matte gunmetal and bronze, 20 grams. so these are like so cool. See, so these are, they're half circles, but they only have one hole. So you get some dagger pieces, you get some little cubes, get some little 2-hole beads. You get these little wavy flats. So pretty. Get some triangles, or little pyramids actually, because they're kind of, you see the way they get a little skinnier up at the top. Then you get this one that's this shape, that's kind of like a smaller version of this one. So, oh, there's one more here. So yeah, so this is the box for February 2023 for Dollar Bead Box, and I'm really happy with it. I'm really interested to see what I'm going to make with these colors. Part of me wants to take the orange and mix it with something else, and then take the gray and mix it with something else. So we'll see. I might use these together. I might separate them. Only time will tell. I'm going to take a day or two and kind of sit on this and figure out what I want to do with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell below. First, smash that like button and hit that notification bell below before I log off here, and so you get notified every time I upload a new video if you subscribe and you hit the notification bell. So all of my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Etsy store, and my Facebook links are below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you get this bead box and what you thought of this month. It's a little different, but you know, they really just recently started doing like kind of like color combos, and I've been really happy. So this is the first one that, even if it's not, it's still a bunch of beautiful beads. Even if you don't use them together, you can separate them up. So no harm done here. So yeah, so thank you for staying with me and watching this video, and I will see you on my next video. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.